Hey guys.
Alright, are you ready for this? I'm gonna let the numbers speak for themselves.
Hi guys, I'm Sarvani and it has been a couple of months that I got into Roota's course, and I would say the best thing in Roota's course is the course content in itself, because it has been designed in such a way that even if you're a stranger to social media marketing, you will know everything from A to Z once you get enrolled into this course.
So it starts with the Facebook ads, then we have Instagram ads, then we have email marketing, then we have messenger marketing, then we have sales funnels.
Plus, Roota is just so fun, personable, supportive, and encouraging. I have loved every moment working with her and her team, and I would highly recommend her services for those of you that are looking to get serious about turning your social media into a money-making machine.
I got my first clients. That's absolutely amazing because the course isn't finished yet and I'm already paid for my services.
Over $15,000 in course sales, my first course ever. Over 600 new people added to my email list, and over 4,000 targeted and engaged Instagram followers. Those are the real factual numbers that Roota helped me achieve in the time that I worked with her.
Here is one of my client ad account, and these are the results from 1st March to 12th March. So as we can see, the total amount spent here is 90,800 rupees, and it has resulted in the website purchase conversion of 4,57,000, which is 5.04 ROAS. So for the results that you just saw, I would want to thank you, Roota. It's obviously because of your support and the things that you've taught us that we can go ahead and bring these kind of results for our clients.
I started working with some Indian clients, and but my aim was to work only with the high ticket clients. So I kept on scaling the ladder, and I learned funnels, the concept of sales funnels and all. And from there, I entered into the world of ClickFunnels, and right now I'm working only with the high ticket clients. So obviously all this was possible only because of the MAA course, because the wonderful course that Roota has created.
The next best things is the Facebook group, because the group is highly engaging. What happens is once you pose any question, you get a reply straight away, which is that's wonderful.
Roota worked with me specifically on what to do with my stories, my posts, the videos to create the ads, every single thing I needed to be successful.
When I got my first prospect, I needed her answers, and she just stayed with me as long as I needed her to help me. So ask the right questions to a prospect, give the right answers, and price my services. She just stayed with me and helped me to give the right answers.
I made my investment into MA back within no time, and so can you. If you are ready to implement and do the work, don't give it a second thought. Because I know your gut and your intuition is already telling you to come into it. So just listen to it, go and do the work, and join now. I'll say join now as soon as possible, because that is the best time.
Now, many will be surprised to know that I actually have less than 10K followers on Instagram. In fact, I only have about 6,000, but I just did 50,000 in revenue this month alone, and the majority of that was pure profit. And the key piece to this was Roota and her strategy, her team, and her ads we implemented.
I can't say enough wonderful things about my time with Roota, but the numbers speak for themselves.
Satisfaction level, if you ask me, it is like 10 on 10. This is one of the best courses that I've invested in. I do take a lot of courses every now and then, but I can tell you this course is one of the best, simply one of the best in India, possibly the world. So if you want to be your own boss, really, you just dive in.